Hello friends, welcome to PowerPoint Planet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design this beautiful infographics with PowerPoint. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Let's begin. Okay guys, in this example, let's start by formatting the background and making it solid fill and choosing this background color. On the shapes box here, pick the rectangle and draw on the screen as per your requirement. It should be something like this. On the Format tab, change the shape fill to this fill color and make it no shape outline. Pressing Ctrl D allows us to duplicate this shape and simply drag this dot this way to resize this other shape. Let's give it another fill color to make it look different. Let's pick this pink color and now carefully pull it inside here. Press Ctrl A to select these two shapes and under the Arrange group here, choose Align and choose Align Center. Press Ctrl A to select everything and press Ctrl G to group. This shape is formed and now it's time for us to give it a 3D perspective. Right click and choose Format Shape. Under Effects option, head over to 3D Rotation and you will find presets here. Click on this preset and you will see that we have 3 groups here. We will use the perspective presets. Choose this preset which is Relaxed. Now let's adjust the inclination of this shape. Under the Y rotation axis, click this drop down arrow here to adjust the inclination. Just like that. Click on 3D format. You scroll down until you find something called the depth. This depth is going to add the depth size of the shape. So let's make the depth 70. Now you see the depth has been applied. Now that this shape is formed, let's position it down here and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Pull this half up here. We have to adjust how they are being placed. So while clicking on this shape, click on the Format tab and under the shape width here, just pull down this little arrow by clicking until it is adjusted just like that. Zoom out to see what you are doing. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and pull this other one upward like this. Set the dimension and again come to the shape width here and simply pull this arrow down by clicking. Zoom out again and clicking on this shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate and pull this other one upward like this. Set any given dimension and again click on the Format tab and simply click on this arrow here to resize. Now you see all the stairs have been formed. Press Ctrl A to select everything and Ctrl G to group. Pull it downward here. Right click on this shape and choose Format Shape. Since we have grouped it, we are going to format it as a single shape. Click on Effects option and this time under 3D format, scroll down until you find something called Material. We have 3 types or 3 groups here, but we will use the Special Effects, and under Special Effects we are going to make this look more professional by clicking on this Dark Edge Special Effect. You notice that we have a more professional feel on this shape right now. Pick the rectangle tool from here and draw like this. Formats tab, head over to Shape Fill and make it Texture Fill and choose this texture. Make it no shape outline. Press Ctrl Z to duplicate it and simply resize this other shape. Let's give this other shape another color to make it look different. Always zoom in so you can be sure about what you are doing. Now everything looks perfect from this edge. Click this background shape, holding the Ctrl key and select this inner shape here. On the Formats tab, Merge Shapes, choose Subtract. Now you see we have a doorway here. But to make it appear more like a door or an open door, let's pick another rectangle and draw it inside here. Click on the Formats tab and make this Gradient Fill. Head over to More Gradient and choose Gradient Fill. Make it just 2-stop gradient. Click on this first stop here and give it a pure white color. And click on this other stop and pick this blue color. Adjust the gradient percentage until it becomes more saturated, just like this. Now looking at this, you feel that we have the cloud and the blue sky over here. Click on Shape Outline and make it no shape outline. Zoom out so you can see what you have done. On the Shapes box, pick the text box from here and type in Step 1. Change the font to Impact and increase the font size. Let's change the font color to white and pull it inside here. Pick the text box again and type text line. Select this text here and make it bold and increase the font size. Change its font color to white. Select this other text and reduce the font size. Press Ctrl A to select everything and change the font color to white. Select text line and make it underlined. Pick the last text box and type in Step Infographics. Let's allow Infographics with this pure black color. Pick the oval shape from here, zoom in, and then hold Ctrl and Shift key to draw this oval shape. Now, since the design is ready, I'm just going to go ahead and import the icons that I've prepared for this particular design. Okay guys, these are already some formatted icons here, so I'm just going to go ahead and position them. Okay guys, you can see the design is ready. Now it's time for us to add all these animations. For these animations to work, you remember that we group these shapes here. Select these shapes and press Ctrl G to group. Click this box here and right click, choose group and ungroup everything. click on this first shape here, and under the animations tab, let's choose the fly in animation. Click on effects option and choose from the left. Carefully select all these text plus the icons and simply choose the zoom animation. Click on this other box here and choose fly in animation, and this time click on effects option and choose from the right. Again, select all these text, click this drop down arrow and choose the zoom animation. For this other shape here, select everything and simply choose the zoom animation. Select this text box here plus the oval shapes and click this little arrow and choose the zoom animation. Since everything has been designed and all the animations applied, let's hit preview to see what happens. Good. So guys, you can see we have successfully designed this template and applied all these animations, and you can see how they played in this beautiful manner. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and supporting this channel in any way you can. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, see you in my next upload. Stay tuned.